At least 104 people have reportedly died across India's state of Uttar Pradesh after some powerful storms, heavy rains and hail and lightning battered multiple districts. Russian President Vladimir Putin has expressed his condolences to President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Modi over the heavy loss of life and also the large-scale destruction because of this storm. Now, the UP's Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has ordered for urgent relief and compensation. There were some pretty dramatic images that came from Jhansi district that showed a man being blown away in the strong wind. Now, the 50-year-old man was apparently lifted into the air along with parts of the structure that he was holding onto. He was carried some distance by the force of the wind and then thrown into a nearby field. Now, severe weather swept across the state on Wednesday, causing widespread destruction. The toll includes fatalities from collapsing walls, uprooted trees, and lightning strikes, with 53 people injured, 114 livestock lost, and 87 homes damaged. In several areas, the strong winds uprooted trees and electricity poles, while damaged mobile networks disrupted rescue and relief operations. The local officials said that multiple victims also died after taking shelter in unsafe structures that apparently collapsed in the storm, while others were struck by falling trees or debris. Now, taking stock of the situation, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has directed the district authorities to complete relief work and to ensure immediate financial assistance to the affected families. He has warned that negligence in relief operations will not be tolerated, and the state government has also asked officials to remain on alert, with departments ordered to assess damage to crops, homes and infrastructure. The Relief Commissioner's office has said that it is monitoring the situation very closely and funds are being released to districts for compensation and for emergency response.